everybody, this is Juan again from OCA. As I explained to you guys, we have a base. We have a base for more efficient. So you can put two pieces, or you can laminate two pieces at the same time. So now I'm gonna let my technician Liu to do the demonstration, to laminate two pieces at the same time, to let you guys see how it works. Okay, now here we go. You can laminate two pieces iPhone at the same time, or you can laminate edge at the same time, so it depends on you. But normally I think because of the production or the quantity for iPhone, there are so many pieces, so that's why if you have this machine, you can laminate iPhone two pieces at the same time. You can laminate OCA, you can laminate the LCD at the same time, so it's more efficient. Before you had to buy two machines, now you just need to buy one. With this one machine, you can laminate two pieces at the same time, so it's like shorter. The time will be like a half of the time you need to spend like before. So when you do the lamination, you have to be very patient to make sure you just follow the procedure. Just to put OCA, you just need to be very patient and to put everything, follow the procedure. You will do a very good job. But no rush. When you do this, you cannot do this with rush. Yeah, just be very patient. We put like two pieces, this is one for the big one, a 6P. Another one is 6. Yeah, now let's see the result. Just be patient, be patient. When you put this inside, just to pour like it to the bottom, yeah. Now what we're doing is for OCA. Let's check if this is OCA. This is OCA. Then you just press the, this is automatic mode. You just press the button, and it will work like automatically. You can check the setting we did. This is 0.4. Here you can check the parameter we did for pressing time for 10 seconds, vacuum time 35, temperature 45. This is the parameters we set for this OCA lamination. Now let's check how it turned out. Show this under the light. Yeah. Under the camera, so let our audience, our customers So check this clearly. It's perfect, right? Let me check the other one. Yeah, turn around. Okay, it's perfect, perfect. Yeah, now next video, let's laminate to edge, to a7 edge at the same time. Actually, laminate OCA, laminate LCA, the same thing. So we just want to demonstrate you or show you guys we can use this base for two at the same time. Yeah, this is our intention. This is our intention to show you guys to say this is more efficient. And thanks for watching. So we're gonna do next video. We're gonna laminate, apply OCA on two edge screens. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.